Welcome to PaidToday, how to create a course that you can then sell or people can enroll onto, or you can also provide your courses for free. But let's go ahead and start by creating our first course. So first thing you want to do is open up the courses tab on your left sidebar here inside your PaidToday account. And then from here you can see we got a couple made, but on the top right we'll go ahead and click create new course. And then first thing we got to do is just kind of fill out our course details. I'm going to do that really quick. So just assign the author. If this is you, go ahead and put your name in there. If it's somebody else that you're putting this together for, you can use their name here. Course title is going to be and course price. We can set whatever we want our price to be. Let's just say 25. Estimated duration for this course, we'll just say 3 hours. And then beginner skill level, we can choose beginner's fine. List any requirements that you might need. And then the course subjects. Okay, and then from there we will choose a logo. Go ahead and upload one, or choose one that you've already uploaded. You can also search Unsplash for free images if you need some. But for that one, we'll do that logo, and then we'll choose the cover image here. Go ahead and add that one on there. And a couple of the course options. Is this purchasable? Yes, I want it to be purchasable. And is it taxable? Yes, I'll show tax on that. Actually, I'm not going to charge tax on this one. And then, yes, I want to show it in the marketplace and also on the client portal. So if someone registers through my client portal, I want them to be able to purchase my course and take it through all through the client portal on their end. If you have a sales video, if you've made a kind of a sales video preview for this course, because you don't want to give away all the course material per se, but you want to tell people what it's about, you can go ahead and paste that in there. So just go ahead and paste that YouTube in there, that URL, and then go ahead and let's save this course. Okay, now that we've got it saved, we can begin creating the modules and lessons. And from there, so click on this tab up above here, and modules house lessons. So think of those as kind of the sections of the course, and then you have lessons or chapters within that. So we're going to go ahead and click Add Module, and then we're going to give this one a title. We're going to call this module Projects, and then we're going to go ahead and give it a description. And then we'll go ahead and save that. And then in the module, I want to add my lesson. So go ahead and click Add Lesson, and then we'll say how to create a project. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to paste in my video URL. And what you'll want to do here, if you're charging money for this, is whoever's hosting your videos, whether it be YouTube or Vimeo, you can make your videos private on their end, so nobody can find them out there on the internet, but allow them to be shown where you have your links. And so what you'll do then is just paste the video URLs in here for those, just like this. And so we can see that we've got our project in there now. And then we'll save this lesson here. We can also give it a delay. Now the delay will be a way for you to drip feed your content. If you have a 3-week course and you don't want people to go straight to the end right away, and then get lost and not do what they need to do and learn prior, you can set delays on these lesson availabilities, and so you can just go ahead and choose how many days out. So I'll just do 1 day for that, and then you can also add the lesson attachments. I don't have any for this one, so I'm just going to go ahead and save lesson. And then we can go ahead, and what we'll do next is add another lesson. So we'll say edit project, and then we'll go ahead and add the URL for that one, like so. Now that we have that one on there, we could say 2 days for this one, right? And give it the description and so forth. Again, you can just add worksheet attachments for this lesson if you want, but we're going to go ahead and save this lesson. And then so we've got one module, two lessons in it, and let's add another module so that you can see that part. So we'll just go, I'm ready for the next section, right? So this one will be let's do invoices for this one. Two clients, and we're going to save the course again because we haven't done that in a while. We'll save that module. Let's go ahead and add the lesson in, and we'll go ahead and grab the URL that we need for this one. Go ahead and paste that in there, and this is going to be invoices, and we'll put 3 days delay on this one. And I'm going to actually go and edit. I'm going to save this lesson here. I'm going to edit this first lesson on top because I want to make sure that this one's available. So, okay, we got a 0 delay. That's good. That's what I wanted. Let's save this course. And then course members. So if somebody has already purchased or paid me, or if I just want to add somebody to a course, maybe I'm training team members from my team, I can go ahead and I can manually add them in. So I just choose add contact, and then we'll go ahead and search for the contact that I want, and I'm going to add Merlin, so I choose him. Merlin will now have access to this course and the ability to take it, and obviously he didn't pay anything because we just added him because we're the owners of this course, so that's totally cool. Go ahead and save that, and we'll go back to our courses here on the left sidebar, and we can see our new course has been created. It's active. It's in the marketplace. There's 2 modules, estimated length 3 hours, and the price of it. So if I want to see, if I want to take it, we'll go ahead and click the take button here on the right. And this is what it'll look like when your clients or customers or visitors are taking the course that have purchased this. I can see details here about all of this course as well, so they can see that. I can switch through my modules and view the different lessons. So first one, and there we go. So it's going. I can see there's no lesson attachments, but how to create. And so we'll go back to the courses tab once and click preview. And this is what your clients would see, or anybody looking for that comes across your course here in the marketplace. So you can see here's the sales video, or what would be the sales video that we added. The course index, course description, what they need, requirements and everything like that. And the logo there.